Hello friends, in this video I am going to evaluate integration from 1 to 2 and 0 to x dx dy x square plus y square. As per my previous videos, what you are thinking is the limits are with a variable, one limit is variable and here dx dy is given. If you think first you have to integrate with respect to dx, it is totally wrong. Because we have to check the limits first, inner limits. It is from 0 to x, meaning is the limit is from y equal to 0 to y equal to x. Therefore, you have to integrate first with respect to y first. I will rewrite this one as integration from x equal to x equal to 1 to 2 and integration from y equal to 0 to y equal to x, correct? The indirectly it is given as a function of x, therefore it is y equal to x, and this one I will write it as 1 divided by x square plus y square into dy, and then I will put the bracket so that first you have to integrate with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay, this is why we are integrating first with respect to x, because y equal to x, y is a function of x, that's why we have to integrate first with respect to y. Now what is its integration then with respect to y? Since we have the result integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square dx, we know the integration of this is 1 divided by a into tan inverse of x by a, correct? Integrating with respect to x, and a is constant here and x, like that. Here we are integrating with respect to y, and here x is treated as a constant, therefore your x will be acting as your a here and y is your x here, therefore its integration will become integration from 1 to 2, its integration will become 1 divided by x, because x is constant, and tan inverse of y by x, correct? This is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to x into dx, correct? Now you have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit for the y. Therefore, I am going to substitute here as integration from 1 to 2, 1 by x into tan inverse of y is replaced by x, x divided by x, minus 1 by x into tan inverse of y is replaced by 0 divided by x, correct, into dx. It is continues as it is because you are not yet integrated with respect to x. Now substitute integration from 1 to 2, 1 by x into x is cancels 1, tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4, minus tan inverse of 0 is nothing but 0, 0 to become 0, therefore into dx, and here pi by 4 is my constant, pi by 4, and integration of 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x. This is between the limits 1 to 2, therefore it is pi by 4 into log 2 minus log 1, its evaluation, but we know that log 1 is 0, therefore my final answer is pi by 4 into log of 2. Okay, this is the required answer. Like this, in my some more videos, how to construct this limit type of problems I am going to do in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. If like the video, comment, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.